So hey everyone, this is the quiz app and we have this question and all the four options. So let me show you the app flow. So if I choose let's say this option, so this becomes green means the answer was correct and our score also gets updated. And if I click on next and then if I choose this option, so this becomes red means the answer was incorrect and the correct answer was that. Okay, so the next question is this is the question and let's say I chose this. So this is the correct answer. So next, and this is the answer. The next is let's say this. So this was the last question, and if I click on next, I will get the results dialog. The green dot represents that I chose the right answer, and the red dot means the answer was wrong. So my total score is 40. So this was the complete app flow. So now let's move towards the code. So let me walk through the code. So I broken down the app into three different modules: UI, domain, and data. So the UI module is responsible for the composables and the data which is used for user interface. So this is the quiz screen, the main composable which is in the UI module. So this is the quiz screen and this is the complete code. So this is the quiz view module which holds the data for quiz screen. So we use state flows and state lists so that data can become reactive. And the data comes through the repository. So I created a repository in domain module. So I created the interface so that this repository can also become testable. So and I created the implementation of this repository inside the data module. So I created the implementation for the data inside this data module. So this is the implementation and this is the load quiz function which loads quiz from the JSON file but will calling to the APIs to get the data. So this is the quiz.json file which holds the data for 5 quizzes. So we are just using the quiz.json file and this is the quiz.json file and then we are using it and then we are parsing the JSON into the data classes which are these. This is the quiz data class and this is the quiz question data class. So I also used the coin dependency injection so that we can initialize the view model. Here we initialize the view model using coin view model and also in view model we will get the implementation of the repository automatically through the coin. So this is the coin module. So that's it. Thank you.